You are now watching Doorbell News.
Marrero, Louisiana. A man is seen shooting his gun and then running off. Him and another suspect are seen in someone else's backyard. Indianapolis, Indiana.
They're shooting at Rico. Huh? They're having a shootout. Hey. Get out!
Pompano Beach, Florida. Houston, Texas. We already know you can't leave plants outside anymore. Jacksonville, Florida. Look at this guy. He brought measuring tape. He's measuring because, you don't want to steal something and it don't be the right size. So, you got to measure it before you steal it, That's what good thieves do. Hawthorne, New Jersey. This is what happens when you're texting and driving. Or who knows? This horrible driver totals someone's car and then just drives off. How despicable. Paterson, New Jersey. This guy does some type of Tom Cruise, Mission Impossible, I'm trying to limbo under the laser type of move to steal this package. I've never seen anything like it. This guy should be like in the Porch Pirate Olympics or something like that. Don't forget your sweater, jackass. West Jordan, Utah. A man who was just stabbed chases down the man who attacked him.
That's it, man. That's it. That's it. That's it, man.
Passaic, New Jersey. Yeah, can't leave your recycling bins outside anymore either. Your recycling bins aren't safe anymore in these streets. He casually takes it, rides off. Paterson, New Jersey. This woman is seen stealing the largest box I've ever seen in my life. And what makes it even sadder is it says Little Tykes on the outside. It's apparently a kid's toy. She just ruined some kid's birthday. Horrible. Paterson, New Jersey. A group of older men are hanging out when all of a sudden, Signal Hill, California. Another careless driver is seen crashing in the back of someone's car and then driving off. Held in New Jersey. A car somehow almost flips over. Los Angeles, California. A woman in a neon green dress walks up on someone's porch and steals their flip-flops. She then grabs her old flip-flops and walks off. Reminds me of Felicia. Los Angeles, California. Look out for these kind of creeps that pop up in your backyard in the middle of the night. He doesn't even know what he's looking for, but he's looking for something that's still. Los Angeles, California. Another creep gains entry to someone's home. And it almost looks like he finds an entrance through a doggy door or something like that, because he just disappears. The homeowner says that he was able to get inside of his house and he stole some property. Chicago, Illinois. Police are seen after a shooting took place. Chicago, Illinois. A female porch pirate steals multiple packages, real nonchalant. She appears to take as many packages as she can carry.
Alright, I'll meet you over there. Forget it, man. You're not even fucking dressed.
Oh, shit!
A young man walks out the house to walk his dog when gunshots are heard.
Oh, shit!
West Des Moines, Iowa. A man walks up to a homeowner's door and appears to be completely out of it. He starts to hiccup, and that's how you know he needs to get lost. Chicago, Illinois. A porch pirate is stopped in his tracks by a nosy neighbor who doesn't take no crap.
What is that?
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Thanks for watching Doorbell News. Subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.